Alright, and I had an issue. Actually, I had a couple issues with some noise coming through my left rear speaker. And it was really bad. I don't know how I fixed it. Exactly. But what I did was redid all my RCA cables. Bottom two are for the subwoofers. And well, what I mean by redoing them is I pulled them out all out. I had Austin write down which one went to which. It was this speaker here. It was really bad. It was just terrible. Pulled them all out of the matrix. Redid them all. Twisted them up a little better. And then ran exactly each RCA cable to where it's actually supposed to go. And that's really all I did. And it's back to no noise. I mean, it's crystal clear again. I don't know what happened, why it started doing that, but it was so bad, I couldn't even listen to the damn radio almost. It was alternator whine, it was the hissing and popping when it would turn on, all three of them. But now it's not doing it. I hope I took care of it. So, alright. Everybody know how to hook up an amplifier? Alright, let's start here then. Nice curve on that. Alright, that's me taking my hand away. That's the sunlight. Right. Just blinking. Right on the money. Alright. So we got everything hooked up. One thing I need to say is what I'm running here is two 4-ohm dual voice coil subwoofers. And this amplifier isn't stable, is only stable down to 2 ohms. So of course that means I am running it at 4 ohms, which this is rated at, I think this one is rated at 750 watts at 4 ohms, right? I can't remember it at 2 ohms. I can't remember what it's rated at, but at 4 ohms, I believe it's at 750. We got something coming up for that though. But anyway, so we got RCAs coming out of the matrix. I already scoped it for the gain setting. And again, these are right on the money. I got music coming on, and the 3 dB down light is pretty much on all the time, and this one just hits every once in a while at 0 dBs. So this is the level control, so that's that. Then I'm gonna activate the preamplifier, which is my high pass. The high pass has a 48 decibel per octave slope, which is that's a heavy slope. So I'll get that right on up there to about 20 hertz. Maybe a little above. That's 20 hertz and below, you can't even hear it anymore. So we're going to cut that right out. The low pass, I'm going to run that a little high. It seems like right around 110 hertz. That's a 24 dB per octave slope. We'll give it a little phase shift. That's variable adjusting. Right on up to 180. I'm going to set that in the middle. Austin, you know what phase shifting does?
No, what does it do?
That makes if compared to this, if I have it like this, when the subwoofer is pushed out, right here, at here, it will be pushed in. Now, what you can use that for is aligning the front speakers with the subwoofer for the distance that the subwoofer is away from your front speakers. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like we're using it as a time delay. So we'll give that a little bit. I'm using two input configuration. So if I'm using 4 RCA cables, that's what I want. When I'm using 2, that's what I want. Alright. We're going to leave the equalizer all at 0. And what I'll probably do is run a sweep through and see where I'm high and where I'm low. It's got one at 25 hertz, 31 hertz, 40 hertz, 50 hertz, and 63 hertz. So I think we got everything covered, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's fire it up. You say, oh, right.
Okay.
Alright. at 4 ohms. What do you think, buddy?
I think it works well.
I was hurting my ears. Who needs Q-tips now?